I started business officially in 2018. Before then, I had only sold beaded jewelries and knitted items to my family members, and all I knew was buying and selling and a little about pricing my products and adding profits on them. The launch wasn't successful because I didn't have a strategic plan in place. I had no marketing or brand strategy. I had no financial plan. I had no capital budget, nothing. For 3 months straight, I did my research and I found out there was a thing called branding, business structure, and marketing strategy. I also understood that there's psychology behind selling to people, and I decided to go back to the drawing board. I had realized that the business I started needed high capital to run, and I should have spent my first year raising funds and not trying to sell. The new knowledge I gathered, I applied to my branding agency, and that has been growing really fast. Not only that, I was able to start a tech company in Plotter NG, and with all the knowledge and experience that I gathered, I've been able to create a good plan for my businesses. Here's the takeaway. If I had started to do proper structure for my business, I would have avoided a whole year of back and forth and emotional roller coaster. If you have started your business like I had done, it's not too late to restructure and get things back on track. I put together a business startup guide with everything that I learned in the past 4 years, and I think you should get it.